Have you ever thought about the simple things in your kitchen that could make a real difference in your health? Well, one of those things might be sitting right there in your spice rack, cloves. You might think of them as just a little spice used for baking or for adding a bit of warmth to your meals. But cloves have a much deeper story to tell. They've been treasured for centuries. Not only for their flavor but for their medicinal properties too. Now, before we dive into all the wonderful things cloves can do for you, let me share a little story with you. I recently met John, a retired firefighter from Texas, who's been struggling with a number of health concerns. Like many of us, John had some aches and pains, trouble with his skin, and even some trouble sleeping at night. But what struck me most was when he told me he had started drinking clove tea after hearing about it from a friend. He was skeptical at first, thinking it was just another fad. But after just a few weeks, he started noticing some surprising changes. His joints weren't as stiff. He had more energy, and he felt more focused throughout the day. It wasn't a magic pill, but it was a powerful step in the right direction. Cloves, you see, have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. They come from the flower buds of a tree native to the Maluku Islands in Indonesia, also known as the Spice Islands. But today, cloves are cultivated all over the world, including here in the US, where we find them in everything from our favorite holiday dishes to health teas and oils. The beauty of cloves lies not just in their unique flavor but in the health benefits they can provide, particularly when consumed regularly as a tea. So, what's the secret behind this humble spice? The magic lies in a compound called eugenol. You might have heard of it. It's the main component in clove oil that gives cloves their distinctive smell and taste. But what's even more interesting is that eugenol is also what makes cloves so incredibly beneficial for our health. It's a natural powerhouse that has been linked to everything from weight loss and improved sexual health to reducing inflammation and even fighting cancer. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. This sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, let me assure you, cloves are the real deal. In this video, we're going to explore 9 incredible benefits of drinking clove tea every day. Yes, 9. And trust me, the last one will really surprise you. But don't worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. We'll also go over how to make this simple and soothing drink so that you can start reaping the rewards of clove tea yourself. I want you to picture this, a quiet evening after a long day. You've just wrapped up a busy afternoon, and you're sitting down to unwind. You make yourself a warm cup of clove tea. The aroma fills your senses, calming your mind and preparing you for a restful night. As you sip your tea, you're not just enjoying a comforting drink, you're giving your body the nutrients and antioxidants it needs to repair itself overnight. It's like giving your body a little boost, naturally. But the benefits of clove tea go beyond just relaxation. You see, when you add cloves to your daily routine, you're not only nurturing your body, you're taking a proactive step toward better health. From helping you manage weight to easing joint pain, clove tea can become your go-to remedy for many everyday ailments. It's been a staple in ancient medicine for good reason, and it's time we tapped into its full potential. So, why should you consider drinking clove tea regularly? Well, if you're dealing with issues like weight gain, poor circulation, stress, or even skin problems, clove tea may just be the answer you've been searching for. It's a natural, affordable, and effective way to support your overall health without relying on harsh chemicals or expensive medications. Take Mary, for example. She's a 65-year-old retired teacher from California who'd been struggling with her blood sugar levels. She had tried everything, from changing her diet to exercise routines, but nothing seemed to work. After hearing about the benefits of clove tea from a friend, she decided to give it a try. To her amazement, after just a few weeks of drinking it every day, her blood sugar levels started to stabilize. Of course, she continued eating well and exercising, But the clove tea seemed to be the missing piece of the puzzle. Mary felt better than she had in years. And she was amazed at how something so simple could make such a big difference. But before we get too excited, let me remind you, like anything else, moderation is key. Cloves are incredibly powerful, and while they're full of health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation. Too much of anything can be harmful, and cloves are no exception. But if you stick to a couple of cups a day, you'll be giving your body the support it needs without overdoing it. Cloves aren't just for people with specific health concerns, though. They're for anyone who wants to improve their overall well-being. Whether you're looking for a way to reduce stress, fight inflammation, or support your immune system, cloves can help. They've been used for centuries for a reason, and that reason is simple: they work. So, are you ready to learn how clove tea can change your life? Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through the 9 incredible benefits of cloves, starting with some of the more common advantages and ending with a truly surprising benefit that you won't want to miss. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be eager to start your own daily clove tea ritual. Let's dive into the health benefits of cloves and see just how powerful this little spice can be. And remember, I'll be with you every step of the way, guiding you through each benefit and showing you exactly how to incorporate cloves into your daily routine. I hope you're ready to embrace this natural wonder and discover how clove tea can help you feel better, stronger, and healthier every single day. Have you been struggling with weight loss despite doing everything right? Let me tell you, you're not alone. Many of us, especially as we age, find it harder to shed those extra pounds, no matter how hard we try. But here's something that might just surprise you. Adding clove tea to your daily routine could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Now, let's break it down. The main reason cloves are so helpful for weight loss lies in their ability to boost your metabolism. You see, cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which is a natural antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Eugenol has been shown to help speed up metabolism, meaning your body burns calories more efficiently. But that's not all. Cloves also help balance your blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and helping you make better food choices throughout the day. I've seen countless examples of people who've struggled with their weight for years, only to find that something as simple as drinking clove tea helped them finally take control. Take Linda, for instance. Linda, a 62-year-old grandmother from Florida, had been battling with her weight since menopause. She tried various diets and exercise routines, but nothing seemed to stick. When she heard about the weight loss benefits of clove tea from a friend, she decided to give it a try. After just a few weeks of incorporating clove tea into her daily routine, she noticed that her cravings for sugary snacks had decreased, and she felt more energized. Over time, she shed a few pounds without feeling deprived, and that gave her the motivation to continue her journey toward better health. It's important to understand that clove tea isn't a magic bullet. It won't help you lose weight overnight. But when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, it can give your body the boost it needs to shed those extra pounds in a sustainable and healthy way. So, don't think of clove tea as a quick fix. Think of it as a helpful tool in your weight loss toolbox. Here's how to make clove tea at home. Simply boil a cup of water and add about 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea once or twice a day, preferably before meals, to help curb your appetite and get your metabolism going. Some people even add a touch of honey or cinnamon to enhance the flavor. But I suggest starting with just the cloves to really feel the effects. As with anything, moderation is key. Cloves are incredibly powerful, so don't overdo it. Just 1 or 2 cups a day is plenty to reap the benefits. And remember, weight loss isn't just about what you drink, it's about making healthier choices across the board. But by adding clove tea to your routine, you're giving yourself an extra advantage in reaching your goals. Over time, you may start to notice subtle but powerful changes. Your energy levels may improve, making it easier to stay active. You might find that you're not as hungry between meals, or that you can resist those late-night cravings for unhealthy snacks. It's these small changes that add up over time and help you maintain a healthy weight. So, if you're looking to lose weight in a natural, sustainable way, why not give clove tea a try? It's a simple and effective addition to your routine that could make all the difference. And who knows, you might just unlock the secret to finally reaching your weight loss goals. As we age, it's not uncommon for our bodies to go through changes, some of which might affect our sexual health. For many people, this can be a sensitive topic, but it's important to remember that our health, including sexual health, is just another aspect of our overall well-being. And the good news is, there are natural ways to support and enhance your sexual health as you get older. One such way? Clove tea. You might be surprised to learn that cloves have been used for centuries to improve sexual health. Ancient cultures recognized the benefits of this powerful spice long before we had modern medicine. In fact, cloves have long been regarded as a natural aphrodisiac, helping to increase libido and improve sexual function. But what makes clove tea so special for sexual health? Let's take a closer look. Cloves contain eugenol, the same compound that gives them their distinctive smell and taste. And it turns out that eugenol is also a powerhouse when it comes to sexual health. One of the key benefits of eugenol is its ability to improve blood flow. Better circulation means better blood flow to the sexual organs, which can help with arousal and sexual performance. This is particularly important as we age, because as our circulation slows down, so does our sexual function. In fact, a 2020 study showed that eugenol was able to help diabetic rats with erectile dysfunction, a condition that affects many men as they get older. The same properties that help the rats also make cloves an effective natural remedy for men who experience issues with sexual performance. But the benefits don't stop there. Regular consumption of clove tea can help stimulate libido, increase testosterone levels, and improve erection quality. It can even help with premature ejaculation, a common concern for many men. Take Frank. For example, Frank is a 60-year-old man from Ohio who had noticed a gradual decline in his sexual health over the past few years. He was embarrassed to talk about it, but after hearing about the benefits of cloves from a friend, he decided to give clove tea a try. Within a few weeks of drinking a cup of clove tea each day, Frank began to notice a significant improvement in his sexual health. His libido increased, and he felt more confident in his sexual performance. The change wasn't immediate, but over time, the benefits became more noticeable, and Frank felt like he had regained a part of his life he thought he had lost. Now, let's talk about how to make clove tea for sexual health. The process is simple. Boil a cup of water and add about 3 to 4 whole cloves or a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea once or twice a day to start feeling the effects. Many people also like to add a little honey or cinnamon for extra flavor. But I recommend starting with just the cloves to really experience the full benefits. While clove tea is a fantastic addition to your daily routine, it's important to remember that sexual health is multifaceted. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management are all key components of maintaining a healthy sex life. Clove tea is not a cure-all, but when used alongside these other practices, it can support and enhance your sexual health in a natural, sustainable way. So, if you've been looking for a natural way to improve your sexual health, clove tea might just be the answer. It's a simple, affordable remedy that can help boost circulation, improve libido, and enhance sexual performance. And the best part? It's completely natural, with no side effects like you might experience with some over-the-counter treatments. Give it a try. you might just find that cloves hold the key to rejuvenating your sexual health and vitality. Toothaches. They're the kind of thing that can sneak up on you and completely derail your day. Right? Whether it's a dull ache that won't go away or a sharp pain that seems to pulse with every heartbeat. Tooth pain is never fun. But here's some good news. You might not have to rush to the dentist or pop an over-the-counter painkiller to get some relief. Instead, consider turning to an old-fashioned remedy that's been around for centuries: cloves. If you're like many people, you might only think of cloves in the context of baking, holiday dishes, or spiced beverages. But cloves have been used for centuries in natural medicine, particularly for dental pain. In fact, ancient Egyptians, known for their sophisticated knowledge of herbal remedies, used cloves to ease toothaches and gum discomfort. Fast forward to today, and cloves are still a powerful, natural remedy for dental issues. The reason cloves work so well for tooth pain lies in their key component: eugenol. Eugenol is a natural compound found in clove oil, and it's known for its numbing, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. When applied to an aching tooth, eugenol helps to numb the pain, reduce inflammation, and fight any bacteria that might be contributing to the problem. It's a safe, effective, and natural way to get relief without resorting to chemicals or medications. Let's take a moment to think about this, instead of reaching for painkillers that mask the pain temporarily. Cloves provide a more holistic approach to toothache relief. Not only do they ease the discomfort, but they also help with the underlying issues, like infection or inflammation. In some cases, they can even promote healing and prevent further damage to the tooth and surrounding gum tissue. I've seen this remedy work wonders for many of my patients, particularly those who prefer natural treatments over more invasive options. Take George, a 70-year-old retired truck driver from Arizona, who had been dealing with an ongoing toothache. He didn't want to rely on painkillers or undergo a costly dental procedure just yet. When he heard about the power of cloves, he gave it a try. He took a whole clove and placed it near the painful tooth, gently chewing it to release the oil. After just a few minutes, George felt a noticeable reduction in the pain. He continued using cloves a few times a day, and within a week, the pain had significantly decreased. Although George still planned to see his dentist, cloves gave him the relief he needed in the meantime. Now, if you're wondering how you can incorporate cloves into your routine to alleviate tooth pain, it's simple. You can either chew on a whole clove, allowing the oil to seep into the painful area, or you can make clove tea. Here's how to do it. Boil a cup of water. Add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a pinch of clove powder, and let it steep for about 5 minutes. After straining the tea, you can sip it slowly or swish it around in your mouth for a few seconds before swallowing. Not only will the tea help ease your tooth pain, but it will also provide other health benefits, like reducing inflammation and supporting your immune system. Another option is to use clove oil directly on the tooth. Simply soak a cotton ball in a few drops of clove oil and apply it to the affected area. This can provide immediate relief and is especially helpful for those who have trouble chewing cloves or making tea. But remember, don't use too much. A little goes a long way. Cloves aren't just for toothaches, though. They can also help with gum irritation, mouth ulcers, and even bad breath. The antiseptic properties of cloves make them effective for fighting bacteria in the mouth, helping to keep your gums healthy and your breath fresh. For those with sensitive gums or recurring mouth ulcers, cloves can provide soothing relief and promote faster healing. Of course, while cloves can offer temporary relief, it's important to see a dentist if your tooth pain persists or if you suspect an infection. Cloves are a fantastic natural remedy, but they shouldn't replace professional dental care when it's needed. If you're dealing with a dental issue that doesn't improve with cloves or other home remedies, be sure to consult your dentist for a proper diagnosis and treatment. In the meantime, Incorporating cloves into your daily routine can be a helpful, natural way to manage tooth pain and keep your mouth healthy. Whether you choose to make clove tea, chew on whole cloves, or use clove oil, you'll be tapping into a centuries-old remedy that has stood the test of time for a reason. It's simple, it's effective, and it's a great way to relieve pain without relying on synthetic drugs. So, the next time you feel that nagging tooth pain coming on, don't panic. Reach for some cloves instead and give yourself the relief you deserve. You'll be amazed at how this little spice can work wonders for your dental health. Skin problems, whether it's acne, infections, or even just occasional irritation, are a common concern as we age. And let's be honest, no one likes dealing with those annoying blemishes or the discomfort of an infection. But I've got some good news for you. Cloves, a natural remedy with centuries of history, can help fight these skin problems. Clove tea is a simple, effective solution to combat acne, skin infections, and other irritations. Let's take a step back and think about how our skin behaves as we get older. It starts to lose some of its natural elasticity and strength, making it more prone to things like acne, rashes, and even infections. For many of us, acne isn't just a teenage problem, it can continue to affect us well into adulthood. It's frustrating, especially when we're trying to maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. But cloves, believe it or not, could be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Cloves contain a powerful compound called eugenol, which is a natural antiseptic. This means that eugenol can kill bacteria and reduce inflammation, making it incredibly effective in treating skin issues like acne. If you've ever dealt with a pimple or two or more, you'll know that acne is often caused by bacteria building up in the pores, leading to inflammation and breakouts. Clove tea, with its antiseptic properties, helps combat that bacteria and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent choice for managing acne. But that's not all. Cloves also have antioxidant properties, which can help protect your skin from the damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can damage your skin cells, leading to premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. By drinking clove tea, you're giving your skin the antioxidants it needs to stay healthy, strong, and resilient, even as you get older. So not only does it fight acne, but it also helps keep your skin looking fresh and youthful. I remember Sarah, a 58-year-old woman from New York, who had been struggling with acne for years. Despite trying various creams, ointments, and medications, nothing seemed to work. She'd gotten used to hiding behind layers of makeup. But deep down, she felt self-conscious. One day, she decided to try clove tea after reading about its benefits. She made it a part of her daily routine and, after a couple of weeks, Sarah started noticing a difference. Her skin began to clear up, and her acne started to fade. Even her dark spots from past breakouts lightened up. She wasn't completely acne-free, but she felt more confident in her own skin. It was a small but significant change that made a big difference in how she felt about herself. Now, you may be wondering, how exactly do you use cloves to improve your skin? Well, the easiest way is to drink clove tea. Simply boil a cup of water. Add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a half teaspoon of clove powder, and let it steep for 5 minutes. You can drink this tea once or twice a day. The natural properties in cloves will work from the inside out, helping to cleanse your skin and keep it healthy. Another great way to use cloves for skincare is to apply the leftover pulp from the brewed tea directly to acne scars or affected areas. After you've brewed your tea, let it cool slightly. Then take a cotton ball and dip it into the cooled tea. Gently apply the pulp to your skin, focusing on areas with acne or irritation. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. This can help promote healing and reduce the appearance of scars over time. The antiseptic properties of cloves will continue to work, reducing inflammation and promoting skin renewal. For those who want a more concentrated clove remedy, clove oil is another option. Clove oil has the same powerful properties as clove tea but is much stronger, so it's best to use it sparingly. You can apply a drop of clove oil directly to blemishes or pimples, or dilute it with a carrier oil like coconut oil to create a soothing serum. Just be sure to patch test the oil on a small area of your skin first to make sure it doesn't cause any irritation. Cloves can also help with other skin issues, such as fungal infections or athlete's foot. If you're dealing with a fungal infection on your skin, soaking your feet in warm water with a few drops of clove oil can help reduce the infection and soothe the irritation. Similarly, if you're dealing with eczema or dermatitis, clove oil diluted with a carrier oil can help relieve itching and inflammation. Clove tea, when used regularly, can also be a great way to support your overall immune system, since it has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It helps protect your skin from harmful pathogens that could cause infections. A strong immune system is key to preventing skin issues from taking root in the first place. So, drinking clove tea every day is not just good for your skin, it's good for your overall health. However, as with any remedy, it's important to approach cloves with moderation. Too much clove oil or tea can irritate your skin or cause other health issues. It's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new regimen, especially if you have sensitive skin or pre-existing conditions. That said, when used properly, clove tea is a safe, effective, and natural way to fight acne, skin infections, and other skin irritations. So, if you're tired of battling acne or dealing with persistent skin infections, why not give clove tea a try? It's a simple, natural way to support your skin from the inside out, and it can make a big difference in how you feel about your complexion. Plus, with its many other health benefits, you'll be doing more than just improving your skin. You'll be giving your body the care and attention it deserves. If you've ever had a sore throat, you know how miserable it can make you feel. Whether it's from a cold, the flu, or just seasonal allergies, the discomfort of a sore throat can make even the simplest tasks, like talking or swallowing, feel like a struggle. But here's something that might surprise you. Clove tea is a simple, natural remedy that can help soothe a sore throat and even ease the symptoms of a cold. Cloves have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. And when it comes to respiratory health, they're truly a gift from nature. The secret behind cloves' ability to soothe a sore throat and help with colds lies in their anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and analgesic properties. These qualities work together to reduce pain and inflammation, fight off harmful bacteria, and support your body's natural healing processes. Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, is a powerful anti-inflammatory. When you drink clove tea, the eugenol works to reduce the swelling in your throat, making it easier to swallow and breathe. It's like a natural pain reliever that works gently to calm the irritation in your throat. Not only does this help relieve the discomfort of a sore throat, but it also helps prevent further irritation, which can happen when you keep coughing or clearing your throat. I've seen this remedy work wonders for many of my patients, especially during cold and flu season. Take Carol, for example. Carol is a 64-year-old teacher from Michigan who has dealt with recurring colds every winter. Each time she came down with a cold, she would suffer from a sore throat that would last for days, sometimes even weeks. She tried everything: lozenges, throat sprays, and herbal remedies, but nothing seemed to work long-term. Then, a friend recommended clove tea. Carol decided to give it a try, and within just a few days of drinking a cup of clove tea in the morning and evening, her sore throat was much less painful, and the cold symptoms seemed to clear up more quickly than usual. Carol was thrilled with the results and now swears by clove tea to keep her throat healthy throughout the winter months. But it's not just sore throats that clove tea can help with. If you're dealing with a cold or even the early stages of the flu, clove tea can be a soothing and supportive remedy. The antimicrobial properties of cloves help fight off the bacteria and viruses that cause infections, giving your immune system a little boost when it needs it most. This makes clove tea an excellent addition to your cold and flu toolkit. Now, let's talk about how to make clove tea for a sore throat or cold. The process is simple. You'll need 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a half teaspoon of clove powder, and a cup of water. Boil the water and add the cloves, letting them steep for about 5 minutes. You can add a little honey to sweeten the tea, as honey also has soothing properties that help coat your throat and reduce irritation. Drink this tea once or twice a day, especially when you feel the first signs of a sore throat coming on, and continue drinking it until you start feeling better. For added benefits, consider combining clove tea with other soothing ingredients like ginger or lemon. Ginger is another powerful anti-inflammatory and can help relieve congestion and support your immune system. Lemon, on the other hand, is high in vitamin C, which is crucial for fighting off infections and boosting your body's natural defenses. You can make a delicious, healing blend by adding a few slices of fresh ginger and a squeeze of lemon to your clove tea. This combination can help not only with a sore throat but also with general cold and flu symptoms. If you're really feeling congested or dealing with sinus issues, you can also inhale the steam from clove tea to help clear your nasal passages. The steam can help loosen mucus and make it easier to breathe. While the antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of cloves work their magic, clove tea is an excellent natural remedy. But it's important to remember that it's not a cure-all. If your sore throat or cold symptoms persist or worsen, it's always a good idea to see your doctor. While cloves can certainly help alleviate symptoms, they are not a substitute for professional medical care when needed. But when used alongside proper rest, hydration, and a balanced diet, clove tea can certainly speed up recovery and make you feel more comfortable while you heal. As with any remedy, moderation is key. Cloves are potent, and while they're incredibly beneficial, it's best not to overdo it. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of clove tea a day is sufficient to get the soothing effects you need. And remember, if you're adding other ingredients like honey, ginger, or lemon, be mindful of the amount, especially if you have any allergies or sensitivities. So, the next time you feel that scratchy sensation in your throat or the familiar stuffiness of a cold coming on, consider reaching for some clove tea. It's an easy, natural way to provide relief and support your body's healing process. Plus, it's a comforting, soothing drink that can help you relax and unwind as you recover. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine, especially during cold and flu season, can help you stay ahead of the game. It's simple, effective, and, best of all, completely natural. So, if you're looking for a way to ease a sore throat or cold symptoms, give clove tea a try. Your throat will thank you. In today's fast-paced world, it feels like stress is just a constant companion. Whether it's the demands of work, family, or simply trying to keep up with everything on your to-do list, stress can start to take a real toll on your mind and body. And when stress becomes chronic, it can lead to a whole host of problems, including anxiety, trouble sleeping, and even physical ailments like headaches or digestive issues. But what if I told you that a simple cup of clove tea could help you manage stress and improve your focus? Naturally, cloves, as we've already discussed, are packed with powerful compounds that offer a range of health benefits. One of the most remarkable qualities of cloves is their ability to support the nervous system. Thanks to eugenol, the active compound in cloves, clove tea can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Eugenol has been shown to have a calming effect on the body, which helps to soothe the nervous system and improve your overall sense of well-being. In essence, clove tea acts as a natural stress reliever that can help you unwind after a long day and feel more centered throughout the day. But it doesn't stop there. Clove tea can also improve your focus and cognitive function. Manganese, another essential nutrient found in cloves, plays a crucial role in brain health and neurotransmitter function. When you drink clove tea, you're providing your brain with the necessary nutrients to perform at its best. By boosting your mental clarity and cognitive abilities, clove tea helps you stay sharp and focused, even during stressful moments. I've seen firsthand how stress can wear people down, especially as they get older. Take Karen, for example. Karen is a 66-year-old nurse from Pennsylvania who had been struggling with stress for years. She found it hard to relax after her long shifts, and her mind would race with worries about work and home life. Despite trying various relaxation techniques, she still felt overwhelmed. One day, a friend suggested she try drinking clove tea. Skeptical at first, Karen decided to give it a shot. After a few days of drinking clove tea, she started to notice a difference. She felt calmer and more at ease during her day, and even her focus at work improved. Karen was amazed at how a simple cup of tea could make such a big impact on her stress levels and mental clarity. But why does clove tea work so well for stress and focus? The key is in its unique blend of natural compounds. As I mentioned earlier, eugenol helps to calm the nervous system by regulating stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol levels are often linked to chronic stress and anxiety. And by reducing these levels, clove tea helps you feel more relaxed and less anxious. In addition, manganese in cloves supports healthy brain function, helping you stay sharp and focused, even when you're under pressure. If you're someone who often feels stressed or has trouble concentrating, drinking clove tea may be a game changer for you. It's a simple, natural remedy that can help calm your mind, reduce anxiety, and improve mental clarity. And the best part? It's completely free of any artificial ingredients or chemicals, so you don't have to worry about side effects. Here's how to make a cup of clove tea for stress relief and focus. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or about a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain the tea. You can enjoy this tea once or twice a day, depending on your stress levels. For an extra boost, consider adding a little honey or cinnamon to enhance the flavor and provide additional calming benefits. In addition to drinking clove tea, there are other ways to incorporate cloves into your routine for stress management. You could try diffusing clove essential oil in your home or office to create a calming environment. The aroma of clove oil has been shown to have a soothing effect on the mind, helping to reduce anxiety and improve focus. You could also use clove oil for a relaxing massage. Dilute a few drops of clove oil with a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and gently massage it into your shoulders, neck, or temples. This can help release tension and promote a sense of relaxation. But remember, while clove tea and clove oil are fantastic natural remedies for stress, it's important to combine them with other healthy lifestyle practices. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and mindfulness techniques like meditation or deep breathing are all essential components of stress management. Clove tea can be a powerful tool in your stress reduction toolkit, but it's most effective when used alongside a holistic approach to well-being. One thing to keep in mind is moderation. While cloves are incredibly beneficial, they are potent, and consuming too much can lead to unwanted side effects. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of clove tea a day is plenty to enjoy the calming and focus-enhancing benefits without overdoing it. So, if you're looking for a natural, gentle way to manage stress and improve focus, give clove tea a try. It's a simple, accessible remedy that can make a big difference in how you feel, both mentally and physically. Plus, it's a delicious and comforting drink that you can enjoy anytime you need a little break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Whether you're winding down after a long day or trying to stay sharp during a busy afternoon, Clove tea is the perfect solution for keeping your mind at ease and your focus on point. In our fast-paced lives, we often ignore the small, nagging aches and pains that crop up, thinking they're just part of getting older. But the truth is, many of those little discomforts, whether they're in your joints, muscles, or even your digestive system, could be signs of inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response by your body to injury or infection. But when it becomes chronic, it can lead to long-term health problems. Fortunately, there's a simple, natural way to combat inflammation: clove tea. Cloves have been revered for centuries for their medicinal properties. And one of the most powerful benefits they offer is their ability to reduce inflammation. The key to this power lies in a compound found in cloves called eugenol. Eugenol is not only responsible for the distinctive aroma of cloves but also gives them their anti-inflammatory properties. When you drink clove tea, you're giving your body a natural remedy to soothe inflammation, reduce pain, and promote healing. Let's break it down a bit more. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many common conditions, such as arthritis, joint pain, and even heart disease. If you've ever dealt with the stiffness and swelling of arthritis, you know how much it can affect your quality of life. The pain can make even simple movements feel like a struggle, and it often leaves you feeling frustrated and defeated. But what if I told you that drinking clove tea could help ease that pain and reduce the inflammation that's causing it? Take Janet, for example. Janet is a 72-year-old woman from Arizona who had been dealing with painful arthritis in her knees for years. She had tried various medications, creams, and even physical therapy, but the pain would always return. When she heard about the anti-inflammatory benefits of clove tea, she decided to give it a try. She started drinking a cup of clove tea every morning and evening. After a few weeks, she began noticing a difference. The swelling in her knees went down, and the pain became more manageable. She wasn't completely pain-free, but she felt much more comfortable and was able to move more freely. Janet was thrilled that something as simple as clove tea could make such a big difference in her daily life. So, how does clove tea work its magic? The eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. When you drink clove tea, the eugenol enters your bloodstream and helps to reduce the inflammation in your body. It blocks the enzymes that are responsible for causing inflammation, allowing your joints and muscles to relax. This is especially beneficial for people who suffer from conditions like arthritis, fibromyalgia, or even chronic back pain. Regular consumption of clove tea can help keep those symptoms in check, reducing the need for pain medications and providing a more natural solution to managing chronic inflammation. But the anti-inflammatory benefits of cloves aren't just limited to joint pain. Clove tea can also help reduce inflammation in other parts of your body, such as your digestive system. If you've ever dealt with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, you know how uncomfortable and painful inflammation in the gut can be. The soothing properties of clove tea can help calm the inflammation in your digestive tract, reduce bloating, and ease stomach discomfort. Here's how you can make clove tea for inflammation relief. Simply boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves or a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. Drinking this tea once or twice a day can help reduce inflammation over time. For even more benefits, consider combining clove tea with other anti-inflammatory herbs like ginger or turmeric. Both of these spices are known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties and can complement the effects of clove tea. Clove oil is another option for targeting inflammation. If you prefer a topical remedy, you can dilute a few drops of clove oil in a carrier oil, like coconut oil, and massage it into sore joints or muscles. The eugenol in clove oil will work its way into your skin, helping to reduce pain and inflammation in the affected areas. Just be sure to test the oil on a small area of your skin first to make sure you don't have a sensitivity. While cloves are incredibly effective at reducing inflammation, it's important to remember that they should be used as part of a holistic approach to managing chronic inflammation. Along with drinking clove tea and using clove oil, it's crucial to maintain a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and manage stress. Chronic inflammation is often linked to lifestyle factors, so making changes in other areas of your life can help enhance the effects of clove tea and improve your overall health. Clove tea is also a great addition to your diet if you're dealing with general aches and pains that come with aging. Whether it's muscle soreness after exercise or the occasional back pain from a long day of sitting, drinking a warm cup of clove tea can offer a natural way to find relief without relying on painkillers. It's an easy, affordable remedy that you can incorporate into your daily routine. And over time, you'll likely start to feel the benefits. Remember, moderation is key. While cloves are a powerful anti-inflammatory tool, they are also potent, so it's best not to overdo it. A couple of cups of clove tea per day is plenty to experience the benefits. And if you're using clove oil, make sure to dilute it properly and apply it sparingly. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine can be a game changer for anyone dealing with chronic inflammation. Whether you're looking to ease joint pain, reduce muscle soreness, or calm digestive inflammation, cloves offer a natural, effective solution. So, if you're tired of relying on medications and want to try something more holistic, give clove tea a chance. It's a simple, comforting drink that could help you feel better from the inside out. Dealing with a fever can leave you feeling drained and uncomfortable. But did you know that one of the simplest remedies might be right in your kitchen? If you've ever tried to lower a fever quickly, you know it can be tricky. The usual advice is to stay hydrated, rest, and take over-the-counter medications. But there's also an ancient remedy that could help you bring that fever down faster: clove tea. Cloves, with their powerful combination of natural compounds, have been used for centuries as a remedy for a wide range of ailments. One of the lesser-known benefits of clove tea is its ability to help reduce fever. Let me explain how this works. Fever is your body's natural response to an infection, whether it's caused by a virus, bacteria, or another pathogen. While a mild fever can be a sign that your immune system is doing its job, a high fever can make you feel miserable and uncomfortable. Cloves, with their antimicrobial properties, can help your body fight off the bacteria or viruses that are causing the fever, making it easier for your body to return to its normal temperature. The eugenol in cloves acts as an antimicrobial agent, helping your immune system clear out the infection. In addition, cloves contain magnesium, vitamin E and vitamin K, all of which support your body's ability to fight inflammation and regulate temperature. When you drink clove tea, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to combat the infection and reduce inflammation, ultimately helping to lower your fever. Clove tea works in several ways to bring down a fever. First, the antimicrobial properties of cloves help fight the infection causing the fever, reducing the need for your body to keep its temperature elevated. Second, the antioxidants in cloves help reduce oxidative stress, which often occurs during a fever and can exacerbate the symptoms. Finally, cloves help regulate the inflammatory process, ensuring that your body doesn't overreact and cause unnecessary discomfort. Let me tell you about Michael, a 68-year-old man from Georgia who recently experienced a fever due to a viral infection. He was feeling sluggish, feverish, and downright miserable. He'd tried everything: resting, drinking fluids, and taking fever-reducing medication. But his fever wouldn't come down. A friend recommended clove tea, so Michael decided to give it a try. He boiled a cup of water, Added a few cloves. And let it steep for about 5 minutes. After drinking just 1 cup, he started feeling a little better. His fever wasn't completely gone, but he noticed that it was lower, and he felt more comfortable overall. By the next morning, his fever had decreased significantly, and he felt more energized. Michael swears by clove tea now and says it's the first remedy he turns to when he feels under the weather. So, how do you make clove tea to lower a fever? It's really simple. Boil a cup of water and add about 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain the tea and drink it while it's warm. You can also add honey or cinnamon if you like, as they both have additional soothing and anti-inflammatory properties. Drink this tea 2 to 3 times a day while you're battling the fever to support your body's natural healing process. When you're dealing with a fever, it's important to stay hydrated. So be sure to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Clove tea is an excellent option because it not only helps lower the fever, but it also provides essential nutrients and antioxidants that help support your immune system. Just remember, while clove tea can be a helpful addition to your fever-reducing routine, it's not a substitute for professional medical care. If your fever persists or reaches a dangerously high temperature, it's important to seek medical attention. Additionally, cloves can help promote sweating, which is your body's natural way of cooling down. Sweating helps regulate your body's temperature and brings the fever down gradually. When you drink clove tea, it can encourage this process, helping to speed up recovery and make you feel more comfortable. Another benefit of clove tea is that it can help relieve some of the other symptoms that often accompany a fever, such as chills, body aches, and fatigue. The warming properties of clove tea can help relax your muscles, reduce pain, and make you feel more at ease. Plus, the natural properties of cloves can help open up your airways and clear up congestion, making it easier to breathe if you're dealing with a respiratory infection. So, the next time you or a loved one is dealing with a fever, try reaching for some clove tea. It's a natural, soothing way to lower your fever and support your body's healing process. With its powerful antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties, clove tea can help you feel better faster and get back to your normal self in no time. Just remember, moderation is key. Too much clove tea can cause irritation, so limit yourself to a couple of cups per day. And as always, if your symptoms don't improve or worsen, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. Incorporating clove tea into your fever management routine is a simple and natural way to promote healing and feel more comfortable during illness. Whether you're dealing with a minor fever or a more serious infection, clove tea can offer the relief you need to get back to feeling your best. Cancer is a word that can stop anyone in their tracks. It's a disease that has touched all of us in some way, whether we've experienced it personally or seen a loved one fight through it. While modern medicine has made great strides in the treatment of cancer, there is still much to be done. But the good news is, there are natural ways to support our health and possibly reduce the risk of developing cancer. One of those natural remedies is cloves. Yes, you read that correctly. Cloves. That humble spice you've likely used to season a roast or to add flavor to a warm drink, could hold more power than you might realize when it comes to cancer prevention. In fact, cloves have long been praised in traditional medicine for their potent anti-cancer properties. And it's not just an old wives' tale. Modern research has started to back up what ancient cultures have known for centuries. So, how do cloves work when it comes to cancer? It all comes down to a compound called eugenol. This powerful substance, which is found in high concentrations in clove oil, has been studied for its potential to fight cancer in several ways. Eugenol is an antioxidant, meaning it helps to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage our cells and contribute to the development of diseases like cancer. by neutralizing these free radicals. Eugenol helps to protect our cells and may reduce the risk of cancer. In addition to its antioxidant properties, eugenol has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is often linked to the development of cancer, as it creates an environment that promotes the growth of cancer cells. By reducing inflammation in the body, eugenol helps to create a healthier environment where cancer cells are less likely to thrive. But that's not all. Research also suggests that eugenol has the ability to inhibit the growth of cancer cells. A number of studies have shown that eugenol can cause cancer cells to die, prevent them from spreading, and stop them from reproducing. In one study, eugenol was shown to induce cell death in colon cancer cells, a promising sign that it could potentially help with colon cancer prevention. Other studies have shown similar results in breast, liver, and lung cancer cells. One study even found that cloves could help prevent the growth of cancer cells in the liver. The compounds found in cloves were able to inhibit the growth of liver cancer cells, which is particularly significant given that liver cancer is one of the most common and deadly forms of cancer worldwide. These findings suggest that cloves, when incorporated into the diet, could play a role in preventing the onset and spread of cancer. Now, let's talk about how you can benefit from cloves' anti-cancer potential. The best way to start is by drinking clove tea. While drinking a cup of clove tea isn't going to replace a medical treatment plan, it's an excellent addition to a healthy lifestyle. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of clove tea make it a great option for reducing the risk of cancer and supporting overall health. It's simple to prepare and can be enjoyed daily. To make clove tea, simply boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or about a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain the tea and enjoy. You can add a bit of honey or cinnamon if you prefer a sweeter taste. But the cloves themselves will provide all the benefits you need. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of clove tea a day is a simple way to support your body's defense against cancer. In addition to drinking clove tea, you can also incorporate cloves into your meals. They're a versatile spice that works well in both sweet and savory dishes. You can sprinkle ground cloves on oatmeal, in smoothies, or even in baked goods like cookies and cakes. Cloves also pair wonderfully with meats, soups, and stews. By adding cloves to your meals regularly, you'll be giving your body a natural defense against cancer. While cloves are a powerful ally in cancer prevention, they are most effective when combined with other healthy lifestyle choices. A balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and proper sleep are all essential for maintaining a healthy body. Clove tea should be viewed as a supplement to your overall health strategy, not a replacement for other healthy habits. It's also important to note that while cloves show great promise in fighting cancer, they are not a cure. If you or a loved one are dealing with cancer, it's crucial to follow your doctor's advice and treatment plan. However, incorporating cloves into your daily routine can support your body's ability to fight disease and maintain health. Just like with any natural remedy, moderation is key. Cloves are potent, so it's best not to overconsume them. 1 or 2 cups of clove tea a day is sufficient to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. If you're unsure about how much clove tea is right for you, or if you have any health concerns, it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new regimen. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your health and reduce the risk of cancer, consider adding clove tea to your routine. It's an easy, effective, and delicious way to give your body the support it needs. And remember, the fight against cancer isn't just about one single factor. It's about making healthy choices every day. Clove tea can be an important part of that journey, offering a simple but powerful way to protect your body from the inside out. As we age, our immune system naturally weakens, making us more susceptible to colds, infections, and other illnesses. In the face of this, it becomes even more important to find ways to support our immune health. We all know that maintaining a strong immune system is vital for staying healthy. But what if I told you there was an easy, natural way to boost your immunity every day? Enter Clove tea, a simple yet powerful tool for strengthening your immune system and protecting your body from illness. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. And for good reason. Not only are they rich in nutrients and antioxidants, but they also contain natural compounds that can help enhance the body's immune response. The secret lies in a compound called eugenol, which is found in high concentrations in clove oil and clove tea. Eugenol has powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, all of which play a crucial role in supporting your immune system and defending your body against harmful pathogens. One of the ways eugenol works to support your immunity is by acting as an antioxidant. Free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can cause cellular damage, are a natural byproduct of metabolic processes. When free radicals accumulate in the body, they can contribute to chronic diseases and weaken the immune system. The antioxidants in cloves help neutralize these free radicals, reducing the damage they cause and giving your immune system a much-needed boost. In addition to its antioxidant effects, eugenol also has antimicrobial properties. This means it can help fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause infections. By drinking clove tea, you're providing your body with a natural defense against harmful microorganisms, helping your immune system ward off sickness before it can take hold. But that's not all. Clove tea is also rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for immune health. For example, cloves are a good source of vitamin C, which is crucial for the production of white blood cells, your body's first line of defense against infections. Cloves also contain vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and the immune system's ability to fight inflammation. Additionally, cloves provide magnesium, which supports proper immune function by helping regulate the immune cells responsible for detecting and eliminating pathogens. Let me share a story with you about Linda, a 68-year-old woman from Tennessee who used to catch every cold that went around. She'd be down with a cold for days, sometimes weeks, and it seemed like her immune system was just not as strong as it used to be. Linda tried various supplements, but they didn't seem to make much of a difference. Then, one day, her daughter suggested she try clove tea. Linda had heard of cloves in cooking, but never really considered them for health benefits. Still, she was willing to give it a try. She started drinking 1 or 2 cups of clove tea every day. And to her surprise, after a few weeks, she felt different. Her energy levels increased, and she noticed she wasn't getting sick as often. When she did catch a cold, it didn't seem to last as long, and her recovery was quicker than before. Linda was so impressed with how much better she felt that she made clove tea a part of her daily routine. Not just for immunity, but also for its calming effects. She felt more balanced, more energized, and was no longer constantly battling infections. Clove tea can be an especially helpful tool for older adults, as the immune system naturally weakens with age. Studies have shown that seniors are more vulnerable to infections like the flu and pneumonia, and their immune systems don't respond as strongly to vaccines or illnesses. By adding clove tea to your routine, you can give your immune system a helping hand, allowing it to fight off infections more effectively and keep you feeling healthier for longer. Here's how to make clove tea to boost your immunity. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or about a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain the tea and enjoy. You can drink this tea once or twice a day, depending on your health needs. If you want to enhance its immune-boosting effects, try adding a spoonful of honey or a squeeze of lemon. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and can soothe a sore throat, while lemon adds a dose of vitamin C to complement the benefits of cloves. In addition to drinking clove tea, You can also use clove oil to support your immune health. Add a few drops of clove essential oil to a diffuser and inhale the aromatic vapors to help clear your sinuses and fight off respiratory infections. You can also dilute clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and use it as a massage oil to promote relaxation and boost circulation, which helps your immune cells work more effectively. Now, just as with any remedy, it's important to remember that moderation is key. While cloves are incredibly beneficial, they are also quite potent. Drinking 1 or 2 cups of clove tea per day is plenty to support your immune system without overdoing it. And as always, if you have any concerns or pre-existing health conditions, it's a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine is a simple, natural way to strengthen your immune system and improve your overall health. It's an affordable and accessible remedy that can help prevent infections, fight off illnesses, and support your body's natural defenses. So, if you're looking for a way to boost your immunity, why not give clove tea a try? With its powerful antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidant properties, it might just become your new go-to drink for maintaining health and vitality. As we get older, it's natural for our circulation to slow down a bit. Our veins and arteries don't work as efficiently as they once did. And this can lead to a variety of problems, from cold hands and feet to fatigue and swelling. Good blood circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. And poor circulation can leave you feeling sluggish and uncomfortable. But there's good news. Clove tea might be the natural remedy you've been looking for to help boost your circulation and get your blood flowing more freely. Cloves are not just a flavorful spice, they're also packed with powerful compounds that can improve your overall health. One of these compounds is eugenol, which plays a key role in promoting healthy blood circulation. Eugenol has been shown to have a mild vasodilatory effect, meaning it helps to widen your blood vessels and improve blood flow. This can help increase oxygen and nutrient delivery to your muscles, organs, and tissues, which is essential for your body's overall function and vitality. But that's not all. Cloves are also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to protect your blood vessels from damage and support healthy blood flow. When your blood vessels are damaged or inflamed, it can lead to issues like high blood pressure, varicose veins, and even heart disease. The antioxidants in cloves help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your blood vessels. By drinking clove tea regularly, you're supporting your cardiovascular health and helping to prevent circulation-related problems. I've seen firsthand how clove tea can benefit people with circulation issues. Take Richard, for example. Richard is a 70-year-old man from Florida who had been struggling with poor circulation for years. His hands and feet were often cold, and he'd find himself feeling tired and sluggish, even after a good night's sleep. After hearing about the benefits of cloves, he decided to give clove tea a try. He started drinking a cup of clove tea every morning and evening. And within a few weeks, he began to notice a difference. His hands and feet were warmer, and he felt more energetic throughout the day. He didn't feel as sluggish, and he was able to do more without feeling out of breath. Richard was thrilled with the results and now drinks clove tea every day to maintain his circulation. If you're dealing with poor circulation or simply want to support your blood flow as you age, clove tea is an excellent natural remedy to try. Not only does it help improve circulation, but it also promotes heart health and overall vitality. But how do you make clove tea for circulation benefits? It's simple. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain the tea and enjoy. Drinking 1 or 2 cups a day can help improve circulation over time. You can also experiment with adding other ingredients to the tea that are known to boost circulation, like ginger, cinnamon, or turmeric. These spices, like cloves, have anti-inflammatory and blood-thinning properties that can enhance the effects of the tea and support your cardiovascular health. Another great way to boost circulation is by incorporating cloves into your meals. Cloves are a versatile spice that can be added to both sweet and savory dishes. You can sprinkle ground cloves on your oatmeal, in smoothies, or in baked goods like cookies and cakes. Cloves also pair wonderfully with meats, soups, and stews. By including cloves in your meals regularly, you're supporting your blood circulation from the inside out. In addition to drinking clove tea and eating cloves, there are other lifestyle changes you can make to improve circulation. Regular physical activity, like walking or swimming, can help get your blood pumping and improve circulation. Staying hydrated is also important, as dehydration can lead to reduced blood flow. Eating a healthy, balanced diet that's rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats will also support your circulation and overall cardiovascular health. It's important to note that while clove tea is an excellent natural remedy, it's not a cure-all. If you're dealing with severe circulation issues or conditions like peripheral artery disease, varicose veins, or high blood pressure, it's crucial to consult with your doctor. Clove tea can be a helpful tool in supporting your circulation, but it should be used in conjunction with other medical treatments and lifestyle changes as needed. Also, as with any natural remedy, moderation is key. Cloves are potent, so it's best to drink 1 or 2 cups of clove tea a day to enjoy the benefits without overdoing it. If you're new to clove tea, start with a small amount and see how your body responds before increasing your intake. So, if you're looking for a simple, natural way to improve your blood circulation, clove tea is an excellent choice. It's easy to make, full of health benefits, and can support your heart, veins, and overall circulation. Whether you're dealing with cold hands and feet, fatigue, or simply want to maintain healthy circulation as you age, clove tea is a delicious and effective remedy. Give it a try and see how it can improve your circulation and overall well-being. If you've ever experienced stomach discomfort, whether it's indigestion, bloating, or a persistent stomach ache, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Digestive issues are something many of us face from time to time. But as we age, digestive problems can become more frequent or even chronic. Fortunately, clove tea might just be the natural remedy you've been seeking to soothe your stomach and improve digestion. Cloves have long been used as a remedy for digestive ailments in traditional medicine. Their powerful combination of compounds helps to calm the digestive system and promote healthy digestion. The secret to cloves' digestive benefits lies in eugenol, the active compound in cloves that provides many of their healing properties. Eugenol helps to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. By promoting healthy enzyme production, cloves can help your digestive system function more efficiently and prevent problems like bloating and indigestion. Cloves also have carminative properties, meaning they help reduce gas and bloating in the stomach and intestines. If you've ever eaten a large meal or indulged in certain foods and then felt like your stomach was bloated and uncomfortable, cloves can offer relief. Drinking clove tea after a meal can help your body expel excess gas, reducing discomfort and helping you feel lighter and more at ease. But that's not all. Cloves also help to soothe nausea and vomiting, which are common symptoms of digestive issues. If you've ever dealt with nausea from overeating, motion sickness, or even the flu, clove tea can be an effective remedy to settle your stomach and bring relief. The anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties of cloves work together to calm the stomach lining and reduce the sensation of queasiness. Let me share the story of Robert, a 74-year-old retiree from Michigan who had been dealing with frequent indigestion and bloating after meals. He tried various over-the-counter medications and even made dietary changes, but nothing seemed to help. Robert's daughter, who had recently started drinking clove tea for its health benefits, suggested he try it for his digestive issues. Skeptical at first, Robert decided to give it a try. After just a few days of drinking a cup of clove tea after his meals, he began to notice a difference. His bloating decreased, and he felt less heavy after eating. Not only did the tea help with his digestive discomfort, but Robert also noticed that his overall digestion improved, and he no longer felt sluggish or bloated after meals. Robert was amazed at how something so simple could make such a big impact on his comfort. But how does clove tea work to improve digestion? The active compounds in cloves help stimulate the production of bile, which is essential for digesting fats. Bile helps break down fat molecules and aids in nutrient absorption. By promoting bile production, clove tea supports the digestive process and helps your body absorb the nutrients it needs more efficiently. Cloves also have antimicrobial properties that help fight off harmful bacteria and pathogens in the gut. If you've ever experienced an upset stomach due to a bacterial infection, cloves can help clear out the harmful bacteria, allowing your digestive system to return to balance. Regularly drinking clove tea can help keep your gut healthy and reduce the risk of digestive infections. Another benefit of cloves is their ability to support gut health by reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation in the digestive system can lead to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves help calm inflammation in the gut, reducing symptoms like cramping, bloating, and discomfort. If you're dealing with a condition like IBS, incorporating clove tea into your routine can provide relief and support long-term gut health. So, how can you start drinking clove tea to improve your digestion? It's simple to prepare. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or about half a teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea after meals to help with digestion, or you can drink it in the morning to start your day on a healthy note. Some people even add a little honey or ginger to enhance the flavor and boost the digestive benefits. But plain clove tea is effective on its own. For additional digestive benefits, consider combining clove tea with other natural remedies. Ginger, for example, is well known for its ability to calm nausea and support digestion, and it pairs wonderfully with cloves. Adding a few slices of fresh ginger to your clove tea can create a powerful digestive tonic. You can also add a squeeze of lemon to your tea to support liver health and promote detoxification. In addition to drinking clove tea, there are other ways to support your digestive health. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fiber and healthy fats, is essential for maintaining healthy digestion. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps to keep things moving in your digestive system. And regular physical activity supports overall gut health. Stress management is also crucial for good digestion, as chronic stress can disrupt the balance of your gut microbiome and lead to digestive issues. If you have any underlying digestive conditions, such as IBS or IBD, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or routine. While clove tea can be a helpful natural remedy for digestive issues, it's best used as part of a comprehensive approach to gut health. Moderation is key when it comes to clove tea. While cloves are a powerful natural remedy, they are potent, so it's best not to overconsume them. 1 or 2 cups of clove tea a day is plenty to experience the digestive benefits. If you're new to clove tea, start with a small amount and see how your body responds before increasing your intake. Incorporating clove tea into your daily routine is an easy and effective way to support your digestive health. Whether you're dealing with occasional bloating, nausea, or just want to improve your overall digestion, clove tea can offer the relief you need. It's a simple, natural remedy that can make a big difference in how you feel. So, if you're tired of dealing with digestive discomfort, why not give clove tea a try? It's a delicious and effective way to keep your digestive system healthy and balanced. As we've seen throughout this guide, Clove tea is a powerhouse when it comes to improving overall health. From boosting circulation to soothing sore throats, cloves offer a wealth of benefits. But what is it that makes cloves so effective? The answer lies in one key compound, eugenol. In this section, we'll explore the magic of eugenol, how it works, and why it's such a valuable asset for your health. Eugenol is the active compound found in cloves, and it's responsible for many of the health benefits we've discussed so far. It's the same compound that gives cloves their signature aroma and flavor. However, eugenol is more than just a pleasant scent. It's a powerful compound with a range of medicinal properties that can benefit your body in a variety of ways. First, let's talk about eugenol's anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many age-related diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. When inflammation becomes chronic, it can damage healthy cells and tissues, leading to a host of health problems. Eugenol helps fight this inflammation by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory compounds in the body. By drinking clove tea, you're allowing your body to naturally combat inflammation, which can relieve pain, reduce swelling, and support overall health. Take Betty, for example. She's a 63-year-old woman from California who had been living with rheumatoid arthritis for years. The constant pain and stiffness in her joints made it difficult for her to enjoy her daily activities. And she was always looking for ways to manage her symptoms without relying on prescription medications. A friend suggested she try clove tea, so she started drinking a cup each morning. Within a few weeks, Betty noticed a significant reduction in the inflammation in her joints, and the pain became more manageable. While it didn't eliminate her arthritis, the eugenol in the cloves helped her manage her symptoms in a natural, effective way. But the benefits of eugenol don't stop with inflammation. Eugenol also has potent antimicrobial properties, meaning it helps fight off harmful bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This makes clove tea an excellent remedy for boosting your immune system and keeping infections at bay. Whether it's a cold, a sore throat, or a stomach bug, eugenol helps support your body's natural defenses. It helps kill off harmful microorganisms, allowing your immune system to focus on healing and recovery. The antimicrobial properties of eugenol are particularly helpful when it comes to oral health. In fact, eugenol has been used for centuries in dentistry to help treat toothaches and gum infections. If you've ever experienced a toothache, you may have heard of clove oil being used as a natural remedy to relieve pain. This is because eugenol is effective at killing the bacteria that contribute to tooth decay and gum disease. By drinking clove tea, you're providing your body with an easy and natural way to keep your mouth healthy and free from harmful bacteria. Another fascinating benefit of eugenol is its ability to protect your liver. Your liver plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body, filtering out toxins, and supporting digestion. However, over time, the liver can become overloaded, especially if you're exposed to environmental toxins or poor dietary choices. Eugenol helps protect the liver by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which can lead to liver damage. By regularly drinking clove tea, you're giving your liver the support it needs to function at its best and detoxify your body effectively. But it's not just physical health that benefits from eugenol. There's also emerging evidence that eugenol may help improve brain function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Eugenol has antioxidant properties that help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which can damage brain cells and contribute to cognitive decline. Additionally, eugenol has been shown to improve memory and learning ability in animal studies. By drinking clove tea, you're not only supporting your body's overall health but also helping to protect your brain and maintain mental clarity as you age. Of course, like any powerful compound, moderation is key. While eugenol has numerous health benefits, it's important to remember that cloves are potent. Overconsumption of cloves or clove oil can lead to side effects. So it's best to enjoy clove tea in moderation. Drinking 1 or 2 cups a day is more than enough to reap the benefits of eugenol without overdoing it. So, how can you start taking advantage of the magic of eugenol? It's simple. Start drinking clove tea. The process is easy. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or about a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let the tea steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea once or twice a day to support your overall health. Reduce inflammation and boost your immune system. Additionally, you can enhance the benefits of eugenol by combining clove tea with other health-promoting ingredients. Ginger, for example, is another powerful anti-inflammatory that works well with cloves. Adding a slice of fresh ginger to your clove tea can give you a double dose of anti-inflammatory goodness. You can also try adding honey for its antimicrobial properties or a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost of vitamin C. As you can see, eugenol is a powerful compound that can provide a wide range of health benefits. From reducing inflammation to protecting your brain, eugenol in clove tea can help you live a healthier, more vibrant life. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your body and maintain your health as you age, consider making clove tea a part of your daily routine. The magic of eugenol is just one sip away. As we reach certain milestones in life, maintaining our health becomes more and more important. We often focus on specific aspects of our health, like weight loss or managing chronic conditions. But what about our overall well-being? What if there was something simple, natural, and easy to incorporate into our routine that could improve multiple aspects of our health? Well, I'm happy to tell you that clove tea is that something. Clove tea may seem like just another herbal drink, but it's much more than that. It's a powerful elixir that supports your health in ways you might not expect. As we've already discussed, cloves are packed with eugenol, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that contribute to a variety of health benefits, from boosting immunity to improving digestion. But when you look at the bigger picture, it becomes clear that drinking clove tea regularly can be a holistic approach to improving your overall health. Let's start with its impact on your immune system. Clove tea is loaded with antimicrobial properties, which means it helps protect your body from harmful pathogens. Cloves, through their active compound eugenol, can fight off bacteria, viruses, and fungi that can cause infections. This makes clove tea a great choice for strengthening your immune system and helping your body fend off colds, flu, and other illnesses. But immunity isn't just about fighting infections. It's also about your body's ability to repair and regenerate. Eugenol and the antioxidants found in cloves help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage your cells over time. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, clove tea helps your body protect itself from long-term damage, keeping your cells healthy and strong. In this way, clove tea supports cellular health, which is essential for maintaining a youthful, vibrant body. Clove tea also plays a role in promoting heart health. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of cloves help reduce inflammation in the body, which is a key factor in heart disease. By reducing inflammation in your blood vessels, clove tea can help maintain healthy circulation, improve blood pressure, and reduce your risk of cardiovascular problems. This is especially important as we get older, as the risk of heart disease increases with age. By drinking clove tea, you're providing your heart with the support it needs to stay strong and healthy. Cloves also have a calming effect on the body, which can help reduce stress. Chronic stress is known to contribute to a wide range of health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and digestive issues. By drinking clove tea, you're providing your body with a natural way to unwind and relax. The eugenol in cloves helps to regulate stress hormones, reducing feelings of anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. So, If you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed out, a warm cup of clove tea could be just what you need to settle your nerves. Take Greg, a 66-year-old man from California. As an example, Greg had been dealing with high blood pressure for years and felt like his stress levels were constantly through the roof. He'd tried a variety of medications and relaxation techniques, but nothing seemed to work long-term. After learning about the benefits of clove tea, Greg decided to try it. He started drinking a cup of clove tea every morning, and within a few weeks, he noticed a change. His blood pressure was lower, his stress levels had decreased, and he was sleeping better at night. Greg was amazed at how such a simple change in his routine could make such a big difference in his overall health. In addition to supporting your heart and immune system, clove tea also aids in digestion. As we age, our digestive systems can become less efficient, leading to issues like bloating, indigestion, and constipation. Cloves are naturally carminative, which means they help reduce gas and bloating, making them a great remedy for digestive discomfort. They also stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food and improve nutrient absorption. By drinking clove tea, you're helping your digestive system work more efficiently, reducing discomfort, and promoting better digestion. Clove tea also plays a role in pain relief, particularly for those dealing with chronic pain or inflammation. Whether you suffer from arthritis, back pain, or sore muscles, the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can provide relief. By drinking clove tea, you're helping reduce the inflammation that contributes to pain, making it easier to move and function without discomfort. Another surprising benefit of clove tea is its positive impact on skin health. The antioxidants in cloves help protect your skin from oxidative damage, which can lead to premature aging and wrinkles. Clove tea also has antibacterial properties, which can help fight off acne and other skin infections. By drinking clove tea regularly, you're supporting your skin's health from the inside out, helping it look youthful and radiant. So, how do you incorporate clove tea into your daily routine? It's simple. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea once or twice a day, depending on your health goals. For additional benefits, consider adding other herbs or spices like ginger or cinnamon to your clove tea. Both are known for their health-boosting properties and complement the benefits of cloves. Clove tea is a wonderful, natural remedy that can improve various aspects of your health. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support your heart, reduce stress, improve digestion, or manage pain, clove tea is a simple and effective solution. It's a low-cost, easy-to-make drink that can be a powerful part of your overall health strategy. So, why not start drinking clove tea today and see how it can improve your overall well-being? As we've explored throughout this guide, clove tea offers a wealth of health benefits that can make a real difference in how you feel on a daily basis. Whether it's improving circulation, soothing a sore throat, supporting digestion, or even boosting your immune system, cloves are a natural remedy that can enhance your overall health. But the real magic happens when you make clove tea a regular part of your routine. There's something about a warm cup of tea that can be incredibly comforting, especially when it's filled with nutrients and natural healing properties. But clove tea isn't just comforting, it's a powerful elixir for promoting health from the inside out. By drinking clove tea regularly, you're giving your body the support it needs to feel better, stronger, and healthier, all while enjoying the calming ritual of sipping a warm drink. Let's start with the obvious benefit: how clove tea can make you feel better. We all go through rough patches where we're tired, stressed, or feeling a bit off. Whether you're struggling with the aches and pains of getting older or dealing with the daily stresses of life, clove tea can provide relief in a natural, gentle way. The soothing properties of cloves help calm your body and mind, allowing you to unwind after a long day. The stress-relieving properties of eugenol can help you feel more centered, reducing feelings of anxiety and promoting a sense of relaxation. It's the perfect way to end a hectic day and prepare yourself for a restful night. But feeling better isn't just about relaxing, it's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Clove tea is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that support your body's health. From boosting your immune system to protecting your cells from damage, the antioxidants in cloves help fight off free radicals, keeping your body strong and resilient. Whether you're looking to reduce inflammation, improve digestion, or fight off illness, clove tea offers a simple, natural solution that can support your body's defenses. Take Susan, for example. Susan is a 65-year-old woman from North Carolina who had been dealing with chronic inflammation and digestive discomfort for years. She tried various treatments, but nothing seemed to help. After learning about the benefits of clove tea, she decided to give it a try. Susan started drinking 1 cup of clove tea each morning, and over time, she began to notice a significant difference. Her inflammation decreased, her digestion improved, and she felt more energized throughout the day. Susan felt better than she had in years, all thanks to the natural healing properties of clove tea. As you can see, clove tea isn't just about managing specific health issues, it's about supporting your overall health and well-being. By drinking it regularly, you're giving your body a daily dose of natural healing. You're not just treating the symptoms of illness, you're addressing the root causes and providing your body with the tools it needs to stay strong and healthy. One of the most impressive things about clove tea is how it can help you feel stronger, both physically and mentally. Cloves are known for their ability to improve circulation, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. Better circulation means better energy levels, stronger muscles, and improved mental clarity. When your body is getting the oxygen and nutrients it needs, you'll feel more alert, focused, and capable of handling whatever comes your way. Let's not forget the role that clove tea plays in boosting your immunity. Your immune system is your body's natural defense against illness. But as we age, our immune function can become weaker. Clove tea, with its antimicrobial properties, helps protect your body from harmful bacteria and viruses, making it an excellent choice for strengthening your immune system. By drinking clove tea regularly, you're giving your immune system the support it needs to keep you healthy and free from illness. But perhaps the most important benefit of all is that clove tea helps you feel healthier in a holistic way. It's not just about treating one specific ailment, it's about improving your overall well-being. From the inside out, the combination of eugenol, antioxidants, and other nutrients in cloves works together to enhance every part of your body, supporting everything from your heart to your skin to your digestive system. Clove tea is a simple, yet incredibly effective way to take care of your health every day. If you're ready to start feeling better, stronger, and healthier, it's time to make clove tea a part of your routine. It's an easy, natural remedy that can support your health in so many ways. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, fight inflammation, boost your immune system, or improve digestion, clove tea can help you get there. Plus, it's an enjoyable, comforting drink that you can enjoy every day. Here's how you can start. Boil a cup of water and add 3 to 4 whole cloves, or about a half teaspoon of clove powder. Let the tea steep for about 5 minutes. Then strain and enjoy. You can drink this tea once or twice a day, depending on your health goals. And if you'd like, you can enhance the flavor by adding honey, cinnamon, or ginger, each of which brings its own health benefits to the mix. So, why wait? Start making clove tea a part of your daily routine today and experience the difference it can make in how you feel. With all its amazing health benefits, clove tea is more than just a drink, it's a simple, effective way to take charge of your health and live your best life. Here's to feeling better, stronger, and healthier every single day. Throughout this video, we've explored the incredible health benefits of clove tea, an age-old remedy that's not only simple to prepare but also packed with powerful compounds that support overall well-being. From boosting your immune system and fighting inflammation to improving circulation, digestion, and even protecting your skin, clove tea is a natural powerhouse that can support your health in multiple ways. We've seen how clove tea can help soothe sore throats and colds, reduce stress and anxiety, and even promote better sexual health. Cloves' anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties are a key reason why this humble spice is such a valuable ally in maintaining health as we age. With its rich supply of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, drinking clove tea regularly can help you feel better, stronger, and more energized every day. Whether you're looking to combat digestive discomfort, manage chronic pain, or simply enjoy a boost to your overall vitality, clove tea offers a simple, natural solution that can complement a healthy lifestyle. The beauty of clove tea is that it's easy to incorporate into your routine, and the benefits are evident with consistent use. So, don't wait another day. Make clove tea a part of your daily health regimen. By doing so, you're giving your body the tools it needs to thrive and maintaining your quality of life for years to come. Take action now and embrace the power of cloves to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, a small step today can lead to big changes tomorrow. Drink your clove tea. Take charge of your health, and start feeling better now.